This video is going to show you how to use the fire pit down at Buttons Bay Club. This fire pit is gas operated, so there is a main shutoff, which I will show you, and it is on about a 60-minute timer, and I'll show you how to turn that gas on. So this is how the fire pit looks when it's operational and when the fire's on, and you can actually adjust the flame as well. It's a little windy today, so I have the flame piped all the way up. I'm going to turn this on so I can show you how to use the fire pit. Or turn it off, excuse me. Okay. So in front of the fire pit, there are two sets of controls that you're going to want to pay attention to. The sets of controls on the left with the red and the green button, that's going to be your main supply for the gas. So the first thing that you're going to need to do, this red button is the emergency shut off. So if you need to shut the fireplace off or the fire pit off quickly, you simply push this button in. Now to start the fire pit, you need to make sure that this is pulled all the way out so the gas can turn on. This green button is connected to the gas inside of the clubhouse. So to open the gas line and allow the fire pit to work, you have to push this green button. This green button is on a timer, so it's only going to allow the gas to flow for 1 hour. So if you're out here using the fire pit and it shuts off, it's because that timer ran out on the gas. So now we're going to go to the second control. This control is going to actually turn the fire pit on. So first, you see how this is at pilot light. So you need to have the pilot light, you need to push that in. You need to push in both of these at the same time. The igniter and the pilot light have to turn on at the same time, and you're going to hear a click. Once you hear that click, you can let go of the igniter and you can simply push the pilot light and turn the knob over to the left, and it's going to start that fire. Once that fire's going, this main burner here, you can control the flame. You can have a higher flame, or you can control it to a little lower. It's just controlling the gas level there. So here's the fire. Now again, let's say you're out here close to an hour. All you need to do to reset that hour timer is push this green button again, and that's going to reset the timer. When you're finished with the fire pit, all you have to simply do is come to the right side control, and you see this off. You're just going to turn this control, and you have to push it in slightly to turn it to off, and you're going to turn it off, and that's going to shut the gas off.